Hi there! Today we will be discussing the Saville Swift Analysis Cognitive Test and the Saville Wave Personality Test. We will review important aspects of each test and give you some tips on how to approach them with the best chances of success. Let's dive in. The Saville Swift Analysis Assessment measures the three pillars of cognitive ability: numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, and abstract reasoning. What makes the Swift Analysis Test especially challenging is that it tests analytical abilities under a tight time limit. Sections of the test are divided into two sets, or testlets, that contain 4 questions each and must be completed individually before moving on to the next questions. Each testlet has a set of either verbal or numerical information which you will need to analyze quickly and accurately, hence the name Swift Analysis. The numerical reasoning questions in the test present you with data in tables or graphs, which you need to analyze to reach the correct answer. Let's have a look at a question. When approaching a question like this, there are several steps that can help you work effectively. First, read the question carefully. This will help you focus your analysis and avoid wasting time looking at the wrong information. Second, based on your understanding of the question, analyze the data and ask yourself, which data appears in which graph? Which graph is relevant for the question? Notice that the bottom graph only has subsidiary data and none for public relations, so it isn't relevant to this question. Understanding this quickly will help you avoid scanning irrelevant data and save you some valuable time. To solve this question, we must first create a sum for the spending on each department between 2006 and 2010, using the data in the top left graph. After counting that 175 million was spent on subsidiaries and 100 million on PR, we see that the difference is 75 million. Yes, pulling data from graphs like these can be frustrating, but these are the kinds of questions you will need to answer in the real test. The Wave Personality Test was developed by Saville to complement cognitive assessments, providing a fuller picture of your abilities. The Saville Wave has some interesting differences that are worth considering before beginning your prep. The 9-point scale question, such as "I am comfortable working alone," is ranked on a scale between 1, strongly disagree, to 9, strongly agree. Your answer here indicates how representative the statement is of you. Ipsative or forced choice questions. The Saville Wave uses these questions to understand which similarly ranked traits are stronger in a respondent. You will have 4 statements from which you will need to choose which one is most like you and which one is least like you. Another interesting aspect of the Saville Wave Personality Test is the intent of the question. Motive questions measure your preferences. A motive question will begin with phrases like "I prefer" or "it is important to me." Talent questions. These indicate what your strengths actually are. A talent question could be, "I am comfortable working in a team." It is important to keep in mind that too many discrepancies between the talent and motive answers within a personality trait aren't desirable. Many people believe that personality tests don't require any preparation, but this isn't accurate. Learning about the theory behind the test will ensure that your strengths come through clearly in your answers. Thanks for joining us today to learn about the Saville Swift Analysis and Saville Wave tests. To pass these tests, your best option is thorough and accurate preparation. Click on the link below for sample questions and to see what we can do to help you get the high score you deserve. Good luck!